I'm a Tanuja Abhanga. I'm pursuing engineering in computer science from DY Patil University. I knows the EduplusNow Institute from my one of friend. She suggested me this tuition for the data analysis, and I also interested to do. So I taken admission first. Then I start learning step by step one courses. I like it too much because of the faculty is very good. They are the industrial faculties. They are hands-on practice for the on project, that real words. They give assignment for the us for the practices. In the machine learning course, sir gives us project for the practices on a real world projects. With the help of machine learning, I completed my last year BTech project, which based on AI drawn crop detection disease system. I helped a lot of, because of I completed already ML topic, so it was very good for the me to execute project properly. I'm very thankful for this. All the faculty of the EduplusNow. It's helped me a lot of for my future career.